Hi, this is Ravila Ramesh for Pro Media. Today we are going to see how to set up GSA Search Engine Ranker, how to build high quality links, how to use GSA properly, how to set up tiered link structure. GSA Search Engine Ranker is one of the best tools for backlinking software in the market. The one thing I liked very much about this is one-time payment. There are a lot of competitor for GSA Search Engine Ranker like SE Nook, Magical Submitter, Backlink Demon. They charge monthly. GSA Search Engine Ranker is the one-time payment and you can enjoy unlimited updates. This is the website. Give you the URL in the description. It costs about $99 and there are also recommended products such as capture breaker, GSA capture breakers, which can be used for capture solving. Otherwise you can use any capture solving websites like depth capture. There is also a product called GSA SEO Indexer, but GSA Search Engine Ranker itself has a indexer. There no need to get this add-on. And the very good new product they introduced is GSA Content Generator. They will make separate video about this. This is very excellent software, up to date. Let's go into the video. First, we will see the interface of the GSA. Here, this is the panel where your already created project is. Here, the right hand side we have a new section, edit, delete option, and started. We will see in a moment. Here we will see the verified links, and this is where we see the bottom. Here we see all the logs, and this is total link submitted. Total link today submitted. Today verified links, active proxies, link submitted per minute, and usage of CPU, capture services, memory used, and usage of CPU. Here I am running already in a project. Here you can see all verified URLs, the logs. Now I am paused because giving a lot of capture to work. So let's create a new project. Now left hand side we have an option where to create our backlinks. For this I'm going to select articles, blog commentaries, web 2 and wikis. The already indexer is already ticked. If we expand this articles, you can see the lot of options. These are the sites are going to create backlinks. If we want, you can uncheck here some of the options. Some people might think there are only few options, but GSA works differently. For example, here is the press release. In press release, it has thousands of URLs to be create backlinks. For easy blogs, it contains thousands of URLs where we are going to create backlinks. So let's start our project. First we are going to insert our URL. For this I'm going to use my video URL. Second thing, keyword. Paste the keywords. I'm using same keywords as anchor text. First we will look for this option. If you tick this option, what will happen means, if you already have verified links as tier 1, we can build tier 2 links for that links, and same as tier 3 links. I will show you in a moment how to save it and main URL with 30%. What does it means? If you have, we can submit same time different URLs to get backlinks. For example, your www.domain.com or www.domain. some post. So it will give variation, like it creates some URLs, some backlinks for .com, the main root URL, and some for secondary URLs like post and pages where you are going to get backlinks. Second option, keywords. You can collect keywords from large sites. For this I'm not going to select. If you want to use collected keywords to find new target sites, try searching with similar looking keywords. If you want, you can use these options. For anchor text, use different words to get backlinks. For example, I'm using here same keywords as anchor text. I'm getting links for video, so I am not gone for different anchor text. If you get backlinks for keywords, it looks more unnatural. If you use anchor text instead of keywords, it looks more natural in the Google eyes. And here also we have options like use keywords as anchor text. So I'm using keywords and as same key anchor text. Here you can define which anchor text and keywords and how to create backlinks. For example, partial match anchor text, you can define percentage, secondary anchor text for percentage, LSI anchor text for percentage, and you can utilize this option. It get more natural links will be created. For this I'm creating for backlink for videos, so for this I'm not using this option. Third one, website details category. For this I'm using same URL as video URL. Sometimes it take more time to paste. Okay. Category. Go to edit and get and suggestion. Here we can have hierarchy categories instead of selecting a particular category. For example, first I'm going to select computer software, and then for example I'm going to select video conferencing and computer hardware. Let's see what happened. See, you can here see it is in hierarchy position, right? communication, video conferencing, computer hardware and software. So it use different categories to getting backlinks. Third option is login details. You are not going to use it. Here about yourself is Spintex format. It comes with software, so no need to worry. Profile pages for social bookmarking, Twitter and Facebook. I'm not going to bookmark social bookmark. For forum commands, it is Spintex text. Comes with software, so need not to worry. For description, microsites, I'm going to give same description as video description. Paste. Forums, I'm not take care forums. If you selected forums, you have to give nickname and forum password, and this section is okay, and press OK. In the article section, we have to give some articles in Spintex format. For this, we have a lot of options. We go to add section, enter manually. You can search online. For example, search, if you can give search term particular keyword, you can get some articles. And import from folders. If you already have separate article prepared, import from other projects. You can use GSA content generator, the best software. Recently they have launched. I could like to make separate video on it. Use article builder. If you have subscription for article builders, you can use article forge, big content machines. If you content machines, you have to enter where API key, WAC, PRL, they have given a lot of options. For this, I'm going to enter manually. For title, I will paste in a Spintex format. Paste it in Spintex format, and okay, you can preview here minimal. Let's say generate articles. So it has created a title from Spintex format, and browser, noun, okay, and the bottom side we have a lot of options. How to link? Just link random location. It will be awkward, so I use first present link. And here are a lot of options like insert up to additional links from project, just a link in an article, verify links from projects, and insert random URLs, random words 1 to 2. This is more than enough. And here I'll try to use search engine to find related links. You can tick options, own URLs. You have to give own URLs, so I'm not going to give it. Insert up to random videos 1 to articles, and insert tags, anchor text in sentence. We will go for this option. And shorten articles to 500 to 600 articles, and you can choose whatever options you want. And do not submit same article more than one time. Okay, mixed article and when I was disable, and press OK. Here is Third option, if you check this, what happens means it gives, if you check this, it gives option to stop after creating this much of URLs, backlinks, and this much of time. Stop for this much of time. For example, if you create, you can specify after creating 100 backlinks, give time for this much of minutes or this much of time, or you can specify to create backlinks from this time to this time. For this, I'm not going to check this option, and tick this option, ask all service used to fill CAPTCHA, and verify links must have exact URL. We can tick this option. Send verification links to index service. You can tick this option. Use character spinning when possible randomly. This is a very important option. What this does is it gives some human like errors when filling CAPTCHA that will be more humanly. So tick this option. Try to always place an URL with ranker text with command. Try to submit periodically. Failed submit. We can try this one, and try to local new URL. I'm not going to take this one. Here is the option to select which search engine to rank. For example, I'm going to select countries like Canada, and India, United Kingdoms, United States, and here are the options for type of backlinks to create: anchor text, articles, wiki articles, bookmarkers, and whatever the option here created is enough. Skip sites with the following words. We can mention certain words to not to get backlinks for such words, and here is options, and okay. Third on email verification. It is already created email for us. If you want to create your own emails, we have options like manually import from files, or create your emails also. Here we have a lot of options. Random. Here are the lot of options. You can create personal emails. But don't forget to check your email connection. Okay. And third one, nodes, is nothing, the external APIs for surfcloud.com, FES network, and accurate ranker, like that. We have nothing to do here. And set OK. Here also Next we will go and see some options here, advanced options. Especially it is mentioned 250 threads. My system is a little bit older, so I'm going to give 100. If you have good enough latest system, you can go to up to 300 also. For safe side, I'm going to give 100. Automatically you can mention here, specify automatically use threads on CPU usage of 50%, automatically decrease threads on memory usage about that 300 MB, and you can specify, but I'm not going to do anything here. But here is the main important thing, use proxies. For use proxies, I'm selected submission, PR ranks, verification, email checking, and also handles public proxies. If you want to go to configure, and here is option, you can automatically select for new proxies. The GSA Ranker itself create one proxies for you. If you have private proxies, please use the private proxies. You can remove bad proxies, or otherwise if you have own proxies, you can add here own import from files, import from clipboard. You have options. And for capture service, go to add section. Here are a lot of options here. I am using capture breaker, I am installed in it, and plus manually, and use manual. These are the options. Secondary option, if this one fails, these are the option, but I don't have any of these accounts. Simply have made it tick. And filters, you can use lot of filters here. Skip submission of the URL domain appearing on this following backlist. You can add backlist URLs. I don't have anything. It's come with the default with the GSR. Here these two options are very important. I've already mentioned to go how to select URLs for creating tier 2 or tier 3 URL links for verified URLs. If you tick these two options, it will create copy on this folder, roaming GSA folder. So verified URLs and submitted URLs. And if want, if you save these verified URLs, you can create tier 2 links and tier 3 links here. If you uncheck this one and uncheck this one, and it will load from verified email list, verified URLs, and create 2 backlinks for that URLs. So that it will become tier 2 links, multi-level links. But we are going for this project, I'm creating tier 1 links, so I'm not going to do anything here. This is the most important thing. And if you have additional services, you can enter here. For indexing, the GSR comes with self-indexing sites, but you have subscription for services like this. You can use API key for your fast link indexer, speed links, cloud indexer, and I don't have any options here. And you can also mention here only 2 for all links, only PR sites more than 1. I'm going to give less than 0. I don't want to get backlinks less than 0. Drip feeds, you can also drip feed. Send only certain engine types, you can specify certain engines only. For this I'm not going to tick anything, press OK. This is simple process setting up your GSA Search Engine Ranker for campaign. Now again here some options I'm going to show you. I already created one project and passed for here, made inactive, submitted. Yesterday I have submitted some 100, today I have submitted for 16 URLs and verified 45. Go to option, you can see the option status active or inactive, active verify only, active verify email only. We have a lot of options here. Priority usually set it to normal. Show URLs on submit and verified. For example, you can see here this project already submitted URLs here. 416 some URLs are submitted. It only took for a couple of hours, one and a half hour only. You can export this to your notepad for creating further links, or you can see the stats also. For example, diagram, you can specify your engine type here, 239. Here you can see 292 blog commands, 82 article directories, 14 trackbacks, and 22 wiki. I got links from that. 397 unique domains, 416 links. You can also specify domain type. Here you can see 248.com, UK, SC, D, I think German, Nigeria, different domains it has been created, and government, one Blackbird government website, edu. Let me see, I will get some edu, 8 from edu.org, edu and the government backlinks will be good in Google eyes. And anchor type, we can type anchor type only. No, I am not mentioned properly anchors, so it all given to direct my keywords only. Engine type, blog commands, talkbacks, 7 Drupal blogs, Buddy Express. These are the different types of engines where we get PHP Motion, 2 forums, Joomla, Track, Joomla K2 website, 27 article, WordPress articles. So we can save this. Later we can get more backlinks. Okay, close OK, and OK. We also can see URLs are verified. Let's see, verify URLs. Go to stats, diagrams. We can see whose statistics, 37 to general blogs, 6 URL redirectors. Let's see our domains.com, 1 government, 1 net, 1 3 org, 1 info, 1 at, 1 2 New Zealand, and 1 football. These are the different domain types of domains. And engine type you have already seen, I think. Anchor type I have not mentioned here, anchor. So engine type, let's see engine type. Engine type, 37 indexer, 2 block commands and URLs. So we get a good glance of links. This is the most important feature of GSR. Let's OK, close one and select main we can select predefined projects, tier projects. We have a lot of options here. You can sort by submitted, verified, dated or modified, show diagram chart, import targeted URLs. If you have already separate URL list, you can upload here from files, from clipboard, from site, other properties and all. And filter by logs, modify projects. We can modify project, delete target URLs, reset data, and we have more options. You can go and play with this. Now start our projects active. Let's run our project here. Let's start. Now you can see here it already started working. You can see immediate result. So I am not here, I am not used capture service, so it asks manually B O Y V X. See how fast it's working. Already submitted 12 and 8 verified. I am getting a captcha, so for this only I have to use captcha service like get captcha to February. See, within 10 minutes I've already got 115 URL submitted and 38 links were verified. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel.